Hello, 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 and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new to my channel, guess what? I wholeheartedly welcome you to Eat to Live Strong. We're in 2021. There's a lot of great things going on. Happy Saturday, you guys. And I'm making myself this delicious omelet for brunch. And guess what? It's vegan style, breakfast of champions. And so I'm using this plant-based just egg. Oh, it is delicious. So it's the breakfast of champions or the brunch of champions. So I also have the Morningstar vegan sausage, and these are yummy. So let me get on over here to this stove and get this omelet working. So thank you for joining me, and I'll be right back. Don't judge me, guys. Breakfast of champions, vegan style. And that's right, your girl used ketchup. Don't judge me. It's either ketchup or salsa, one or the other, but either way, it is still delicious. Thank you for joining me today. I really hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and definitely share this out because sharing is caring. And don't forget 1, 2, 3. And if you're not getting veggies in daily, don't forget to check me out. I'm your Juice Plus representative. My link is in the description box. Thank you again for joining me. See you next time. Love you long time. Bye-bye now.